What's up, guys? This is Prime Flex, and I'm back with another massive strategy. How are you guys doing out there? Are you are you making profits? Are you really profitable? And thanks for those that have joined my Prime updates, and thanks to all those that have been able to teach how I really make profits daily, apart from trading on my derivative account. And thanks to everyone for the 1000 subscribers count. Thank you very much to my 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone that's always coming to my channel to watch my videos. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. And I promise that I'm going to make every day you're going to spend with me to be as profitable as ever. Okay, so let's get using this strategy. This is my first spike catching strategy. Okay, this is my first spike catching strategy, and it is 80% win rate. It is 80% profitable, and I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to catch multiple spikes on only Boom 300. Okay, so do not come to the comment section to ask me if it works for other assets. It only works for Boom 300. Okay, it only works for Boom 300. And if you have a smaller account, do not worry, I'll be teaching you guys how to use very low lot size. Okay, so let's get to using this strategy. Okay, so you can see we have one indicator in we have just one indicator in on our screen, and that is the CCI, the commodity channel index, and it is set to the 20 level. And we have some levels here which are not necessary, but the only level we need is the 190 level right here. This 190 level right here is what we really need. Okay, and you can see right here there is what the boom buy at that what at the 190 level. Okay, so let's get using this strategy. This strategy is for spike catching. Okay, and if you want to catch a spike, you know the best time to catch a spike is in an uptrend. So if you don't know how to set so if you don't want to be on if you don't want to be on the losing side, you want to make sure you check the trend of the market on the higher time frame before you use the strategy on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I'll just be showing you the examples right here, so you can go on your demo and you can test it and see how it works for you. Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, we are using the 190 level on below right here, and the only thing you need is once there's you can see the red line going up and down on the CCI. Once it touches the minus 190 level at the bottom, okay, once it touches the minus 190 level at the bottom, you can see right here, once it touches it, you are going to take what you're going to take a buy trade. And you can see in this example, when it touches the 190 at exactly this point, you can see the market what the market went and kept on what and kept on spiking. Okay, that is how it works. It kept on spiking. So once you see that the market has gotten to the minus 190 level, you are going to take your what you are going to take your buy trade. And once you take your buy trade, this is at the minus 194 level. Okay, once it gets to the minus 190 level, you take your buy trade, and you can see immediately after this red candle, you'll be entering at this next candle, and you can see how it was how it spiked up. Okay, sorry for the background noise, I have crazy neighbors right here. Okay, so you can see once it gets to the what to the this was the candle that took us to the 190 level. So I'll be entering at this next what let me zoom in for you to see clearly. I'll be entering at the beginning of this green candle. So you can see I had just a very low drawdown, and you can see what the market spiked up. Now take profits and stop loss. How many spikes can I catch? You can catch multiple spikes. Sometimes it is just one spike, and sometimes it is multiple spikes. But the best thing to do is to always set a stop loss and then take profit. Okay, so if you're looking to catch one spike, okay, if you're looking to catch one spike in the market, you want to set your take profits to just 3 candles. Okay, so what is the equivalent of 3 candles in the market or in Boom 1000? Okay, so you're just going to be setting your stop loss at that. Okay, so let's say I entered at this point right here. This is the point I would have entered. Let me take this. This is the point I would have entered the market. Okay, And once I enter the market there, okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to set my stop loss. The best way to set your stop loss, okay, rather than using the candle equivalent, rather than using the candles as stop loss, you can set it using the low of the next of the previous spike that you can see. Okay, so the low of the previous spike I can see is right here, you can see. And then my take profit is going to be what, at the high of the previous what spike. Okay, the high of the previous spike. That is it. You can see right here, very little drawdown once I enter the market, and you can see the market just eats my take profits. Okay, that is how to set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, you can see the market still continues spiking, and if you don't want to set a take profit, you can just set a line there. So once the market hits that line, you move your stop loss to what, to break even. You move your stop loss to your entry, and then you just leave it to either continue spiking up if the market is in an uptrend, or you can just close immediately you get a spike if the market is in a downtrend. Okay, now the downside to this strategy is that it rarely shows. Okay, it really gives signals. Okay, it really gives signals, and the signals are not 100%. Like I said, signals are not always 100%. Okay, so you can see right here, this is a trade I would have entered at this point right here. This is my point. I would have entered after the red candle, because the red candle took me to the what, took me below the what, the 190 level. You can see right there, the red candle took me below the minus 190 level. So I'll be entering at 63631 right here at after the close of the red candle, and I got just very little drawdown. As you can see, I got just very little drawdown before the market before the market spike to the upside. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, so you can see right here now, you can see right here the market didn't spike again. It just, if you had been waiting for multiple spikes, you would have gotten stopped out at your at your break even. So it is always better to just catch one spike and leave the market. Just catch a spike and leave the market. If I were you, I wouldn't be chasing multiple spikes. I would just catch a spike and leave the market. You can see right here the market, the trade failed, and like I said, it is not 100%. There is no spike catching strategy that is 100%. Okay, so you have to understand that. You have to know how to set your stop loss and how to manage your risk when trading with spikes. Okay, let me see if I can get another trade signal. Okay, you can see right here, this this was the candle that took us below the 190 level, and immediately I entered at 3748 at the after the close of the red candle. You could see the market just spiked to the upside. You can see that the market shot up to the upside, and that would have been a profitable trade for me with zero drawdown. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, so let's see. You can see right here as well, this red candle took us below the minus 190 level, and also immediately I enter after the red candle for this one as well. You can see the market just spiked up, and it spiked up, and it spiked up. You don't need to bother about these remaining spikes. So far you've taken the first spike. If your risk management is to catch multiple spikes, then you would have caught all these spikes, and if your risk management is to catch one spike, then you are still profitable nonetheless. Okay, you don't have to bother about the profits you missed. Be grateful for the profits you've made. Okay, always be grateful for the profits you made, and don't cry about the profits you missed. Okay, so let me show you one more signal. You can see right here, this was the candle that took us below below the 190 level, and then I would enter, and this one also has zero drawdown. You can see zero drawdown, and it spiked to the upside. See the long spike it gave. See the very long spike it gave. You can see that. Okay, so that is it. So let me show you. I've talked about the stop loss and the take profit. I've talked about now for the risk management. Since you have a small account, you won't be able to use the 0.2 lot size. You can use 0.2 lot size with a very small account. So what you want to do is you want to open with the 0.25. Okay, and then you are going to close 0.2, and that will leave you with 0.05. running trade. Okay, so you are going to be using 0.05 as your what, as your lot size. You open with 0.25 and immediately you close what, 0.2, and then you leave 0.05 to what, to run the trade. Okay, that is the best risk management for the 300 series. If you are trading in that crash 300, open 300. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let me show you the indicator settings. So like I said, we are using just one indicator, and that is the commodity channel index. The period is set to 20. Apply to typical price HLC3. The style is your preference, and the only level we need is the what, is the minus 190, not the 190. Okay, it is the what, minus 190. Take note of the level. Okay, take note of the level. Okay, so that is it. Then once you set it this way, then you click on done, and that is it. It has been added to your what, it has been added to your chart, and then you can use this to catch what, to catch multiple, to catch multiple spikes. In my next video, I'll be doing the same strategy on how to catch the red candles, how to take the red candles. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for I just hit my 1000 subscribers. Thank you for everyone that subscribed to my channel. Thank you for everyone that has joined the Prime update, like I said before. And thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Prime Flexes off, and I say bye bye.